Hi guys, so let's do unboxing Hyphotonflux PRO480. Here the PRO480 use a double packing, so nobody can see what you bought because no logos on there. When you open it, the first things what you can see is a sticker, the nice sticker Hyphotonflux. Cool. Then you can see the user manual for the PRO480 with all technical specification. Everything is clear and understandable. So nice, thanks for that. Also, we can see the AC power cable for the 6 inches and back with the accessories. Let's see what inside. Adjustable for 2, hiring kit 2, and 4 screw nut. Okay, not screw 4 pieces. Nice. Also here should be, and of course have, the power supply. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is massive with the pure aluminum. Look nice. Good. Of course with the brand name. So guys, let's take a look about the Hyphotonflux PRO480. The manufacturer used the folding design, which is quite easy to install and not difficult wearing. The size of this light fixture is 36 by 36 inches. Yep, 36 by 36 inches. It has 6 pure aluminum bar. It is good for heat dissipation and extend the diet's lifespan. Also, guys, this is the PRO480 compared with the HPF4000. It's manufactured increased awesome far red. You can see here the 730 nm diet, and here you can see the Sol UV 385 nm diet. Also, there is a transparent coating on the PSB board. You can see this white one. This is transparent coating for PSB board for the waterproof. I was informed the LED diodes on the PSB are fragile, so please make sure you will not touch the LED diode when you install the light fixture later. So, the drivers are fixed inside the driver box, so there is no exposed and amazing wires. It's very clean and easy to connect. On the driver box, there's a knob dimmer on the end cap which supports you dim the light from the 0 to 100%, so you can adjust the power and the brightness depending on your growing stages. Also have the RG port on the end cap. Also is allowed you connect up to 80 lights by separated control, which is really good for commercial planting. So let's assemble it. The PRO480. It's a folding design with the plug-and-play connector. It is quite easy and fast to assemble. The first, what you need to do is use 2 knob screws to fix these brackets first. You see the hole, okay, and fix it. Okay, make sure it's tight. Okay, tight from the both side. Okay, the second side. Cool. Okay, nice, done. Tight well. Okay, second, fix the driver in the fixture. Okay, here you can see the 3 holes, and you use the 2 nut screw to fix in the middle, tie in the middle. Okay, good. Very easy. 1 and 2. Okay. Done. Nice. Done. Third step, what you should to do, it's a connect 2 DC cables. So how you do it? The male connected together with the rib, click, and then tie it from the both side. Tie well, to be sure it cannot be out. Nice. A click and tie it well. Done. This side is done. Then You need to connect, the first step is connect to like AC cable, and to be sure, here you can see the lock, right? Lock. When you're connecting, you can hear the sound, the click. So let's do it. Nice. That's all. That's very easy. Then, last one. Use the hiring kit to click the hooks. One and two. Need to use for two sides, right? So this is the one side and second side. One, very easy, very fast. Even your kid can do it.